Hi guys, welcome back to another vlog this week. It's currently Friday and I have a great intern. So I don't know what I'm talking about. This is what I record and like edit and I'm like, what you talking about? This week I have my lovely niece helping me and she is cutting the stickers that I didn't get to finish in the last vlog. So then I'm going to do a blitzing session and I'm going to blitz all of the orders today and hopefully get that done. So hopefully I'll get all the orders done today with the help of my lovely niece. She's cutting them. She is amazing. She knows how to cut and use all the machine equipment, and it's really noisy in here. And she also knows how to help me pack. So I'm going to take you through some of the orders that I pack today. My eyebrows are just nuts. Anyway, let's crack on. Get back to work, employee.
Late nights at the weekend, you got me right in the deep end. I be swimming in that liquor. I be doing the salsa. It's the grass pro pistol. Pop on the beat like Shams and Fizzle. Pop on the Draco, these hot beats I got a fistful.
Look nice.
Thanks. Hi guys, we're back again for a fresh week next Monday. I think in the last vlog I was a little bit ambitious and said that I would get all the illustrations and all the editing done by the end of that week. Well, that didn't happen. So my aim is to try and get this done this week. A lot of people are asking again for the calendars. I'm working as fast as I can, guys. I'm doing it as fast as I can. I'm a little bit overwhelmed actually with all the orders that you guys made on my birthday sale, so I'm still trying to get those out. I didn't anticipate that so many of you would make orders on my birthday sale, so I'm going to get that done today. Today I'm gonna get it done today, and then we're gonna have the rest of the week to illustrate. My store is still closed. I may open it later on today, but I might not, because I think it might stress me out. So one thing at a time. We've got to concentrate, guys. We've got to concentrate. 2 more girls to go, and then we've got to do the editing. So come along and pack the orders up with me, and we'll let you know what's going on a bit later.
Reports on one person already using the brand new system.
Hi guys, it's currently Tuesday today. I'm still trying to get through all of these orders. I seriously underestimated how much time it would take to finish these orders, and I was overwhelmed with the amount of orders I got for my birthday sale, and I seriously underestimated the time that it would take to finish the calendar. But you know, that's life. But that is just what happens when you run a business. Things go wrong and you have to deal with them there and then, especially when you are the one who does everything all. But I do enjoy that because I'm learning everything as I go along, and I like to learn things. I like to figure out and problem solve, but it's not the best for when you have a short amount of time or limited time. But I do love to learn and how to get new skills. I'm always learning something new. But yeah, I'm not gonna film the rest of this morning because I just want to crack on with these orders and blitz them, and then hopefully I can carry on with the calendar this week. I know I keep saying it, guys, but we're gonna do it. Pray to the calendar gods. We are going to finish. Hi guys, it's Wednesday the 14th of November and I have managed to get all the orders out. Can you believe? Oh, it was a marathon session. I literally worked from 9 o'clock till 5 o'clock in the evening, or 5:30 even, to get all the orders out. And I didn't stop, apart from to get the kids and stuff. So that was crazy. Now I've only got one order left in my store because I opened up the store again this week. So now I feel much more relaxed and I can go and do the calendar, girl. My office is currently a complete tip, but I'm just gonna work in the mess and I'll worry about that later because I just want to get on with drawing the girls and finish. So and I'm also cutting stickers. Now I don't have like a ton of orders, but I'm cutting stickers because I think I need to change my practices, because I tend to get quite a few orders and I always feel like overwhelmed with the amount of orders that I have, and then when I have loads of orders I don't get to draw, I don't get to do anything else. I don't, you know, I can't spend as much time as I want on other things. And when you have a shop, yes, manning the store is important, but also making new products is really important. Product creation is really important. So I'm trying to figure out better ways to do things. I mean, if anyone has their own small business, please let me know of any suggestions you have on managing large amount of orders, because currently what I do now is things are made to order. So yeah, I'm thinking that I might do, sorry, I'm just mixing up paint while I talk to you, because this lady is going to have, let me show you. She is going to have grey hair, so I am mixing up some paint in my terribly messy paint palette. But yeah, I think I'm going to be changing the way I do things and change my sticker stock to be stocked instead of made to order. We're gonna see. I'm gonna give it a go and see. But you know, another problem with that is that trying to figure out what sells, what's gonna sell and how much to make of them, because you don't want to waste all your paper and ink. You know, I love the fact that my store is getting busier and busier as the weeks go on, but it's very hard to keep on top of everything and still make new products. I draw a good few times a week, and then, you know, you lovely guys do like the illustrations and you'd love to make them, you'd love to see them as stickers. So the problem becomes then when because I'm constantly stuck on making orders and printing out people's shipping orders, I'm not getting time to make new stickers. So I don't know guys. Let me know if you have any suggestions on how to cope with such large amounts of orders.
Don't touch. You better recognize this thing. I know you feeling this.
I've just finished one more girl. She is a more mature lady, or just a lady with grey hair. She doesn't necessarily have to be more mature, but she's got grey hair. Oh, so we've got one more girl to go. Morning guys, it is Thursday. I was going to finish the vlog yesterday, but my website decided to completely crash and stop working. Spent the best part of Wednesday evening fixing my website. My website decided to completely break. It was just a nightmare, and I'm not a web developer. Everything I've done on my website myself, but it's with my limited knowledge. So I have a newfound respect for web developers. It's still acting a little bit funny, so I'm gonna still have a little bit play around with it today. But again, something's gone wrong, so I haven't got the time. I feel like I'm always saying this to you guys that the battery's gonna run out. 1 sec. Oof, now I'm back. Sorry, the battery just ran out. I feel like I'm always saying that to you guys, but that is the reality of owning your own business and doing things from web developing to customer service. Things are going to go wrong unexpectedly, and you're going to have to fix it and stop what you're doing. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to end the vlog here, because this website needs to be fixed. I just need to update it, so I'm happy with it. It is working, but I just want to make sure that all the little things on the website are how I want it, because I'm very particular. And because I am not a web developer, I'm literally doing it all myself, so it takes me a bit longer to figure out how to do things. So yeah, I'm going to end the vlog here, and I think what I'll do is I might keep the last calendar girl as a surprise, and then you'll see it later what it's going to be. But yeah, I've literally pretty much done all the girls now, so one left, and then I can get into the editing of the actual calendar design and get everything in there, and then get it sent off to the printers. But yeah, for now I'm going to end the vlog, and I will catch up with you soon.